Hi everyone, welcome to Mishri Reviews. Hi Divya.
Hi Tanu, hi everyone.
So we're all under lockdown and for the past few weeks we've been doing our reviews on video calls and hangout sessions. So we thought we'll do it like this today. Should we start, Divya?
Absolutely. And just to add to that, there are going to be no gimmicks. This is 100% pure, honest reviews. So you will not see things falling magically out of somewhere in our frame. This is, yes, Tanu and I just doing our bit with our honest reviews.
Right. So here we have, that's our product for the day. We've got Cadbury's Choco Bakes. So these are cream-filled cookies. I'm gonna open one now. There you go. And so I've had these before. And what I really like about the taste is that it's not over sweet. Though the liquid gooey Cadbury's inside is, but the outside of the cookie is not crumbly, it's not dry and brittle, it's buttery and still has a lot of crunch.
I agree. So talking about the filling, look at that. Look at all that gooey, chocolatey filling inside. That looks delicious. And the sweetness, the filling that you see inside is, it reminds me of Dairy Milk Silk sweetness, that texture, the
Right.
smoothness, right, Tanu? So,
It's
yeah,
very creamy.
the cookie, right. The cookie I feel isn't as sweet, and the sweetness is sort of taken over by the filling, which I feel balances this cookie perfectly. What do you think, Tanu?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, when you're looking at a packaged product like this, you will look at taste, texture, which we just discussed. In both cases, it's balanced. You look at value for money. This is priced exactly like all its competitors out there. So yes, if you're looking for a dessert cookie, kids are looking for something to have in the evening, this makes a lot of sense. Nutrition wise, guys, it's not meant to be had on a regular basis. It's not something that you have every day. It's for occasional
Right.
consumption, especially if you're watching your weight or you're diabetic. Obviously this is not meant for you. You have an active lifestyle, you can enjoy something like this.
I agree. So Tanu, how many Mishris do you think for Cadbury's Choco Bake cookies?
I think on a scale of 1 to 5, Cadbury Choco Bakes choc-filled cookies easily deserves 4 Mishris out of 5. We spoke of the taste and texture. Both of those are balanced in this. It's value for money, priced competitively, like all other chocolate-filled luxury cookies out there. So 4 out of 5 Mishris from me.
I completely agree. 4 out of 5 Mishris. So guys, what did you think of our review? Why don't you log into mishri.com for more reviews? Give us a feedback. And Tanu and I will be back with more reviews for you. Take care. Bye now.
Till the next time.